Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, for those of you that are new to these videos, when I say live, what I mean is that this is not a situation where I've already recorded everything and now I'm coming back and talking about it and doing a post commentary or some sort of trade recap. Nothing like that. I'm recording myself, seeing the information for the very first time. So if you want raw thoughts, raw reactions, then you are going to get that here. But also to be respectful of your time, if you are looking for a nicely scripted video, nicely edited video, you're not going to find that here. But if you just want a nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then you'll get that here. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I will be back at the open. All right, markets are open, and I'm watching Tesla right now. Gap down, but now has a bit of a bounce here. Pinterest here, 68.35. Oh, come on, I missed that. Oh, that's all right. No need to cry about it. Let's go back to Tesla here. 698. Interesting area. In at 698. Like that candle very much so. Well, that's not pleasant. Thought I was getting out some down at 697. All of a sudden this thing has snapped right back against me. I mean, it's definitely clearly very volatile here. Let's see if it wants to come back down. It's really just a question of, does this thing want to roll back over, or is this thing just going to snap back against me here? Great candle here forming. So much so that I think I can get better than 697 now. If it wants to come back down. So I'm at, there we go, got those, beautiful. Let's see this get down below 696. Still have 100 shares left. See if we can get this thing down below 695. Still have 50 shares left. Really hoping for wanting to be fantastic, but it's could very well double bottom on me here. But I'd like to give it a chance there to get down through 695. But like I said, it very well could double bottom on me here. Let's give it a chance. There's no guarantees a double bottom is going to happen. There we go. There we go. Took off another 25. And all out there, fantastic. $552, and it is 9:35 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $550 in 5 minutes. But the stock market is a crazy place, and I do not say that to brag. I say it to build context and build perspective for you, because, and I say this a lot, but it's really, to me, it's so important. Is it's easy, because I struggle with it, to go around social media and you see these massive numbers. You know, scroll through your YouTube feed and you're like, whoa, thousands of dollars, you know, what they made, and you see these huge numbers, and then it's very easy to look at your results and be like, wait, that's all I made? That's it? But let's actually keep things in perspective. Let's say that you had just made $50 on this trade. $50 in 5 minutes. Go talk to somebody, make a minimum wage, and be like, hey, yeah, there's this thing called online day trading in the stock market or crypto market or futures market, whatever market you're trading, and I made $50 in 5 minutes. They would look at you and be like, you're the biggest jerk ever. Like, why are you rubbing that in? Like, get out of here. So think about that. Crazy. So no matter what you're making, always equate it to well, how long did it take you to make that? And that's a great way to build perspective. So one of those situations where, and for me personally, I adopt what is called the be done in 30. That's my approach. And meaning my goal is to be done after every day, right around, on average, 30 minutes. So yes, sometimes I'll go more than 30 minutes, but here I'm done after 5 minutes. And I do this being trading as a side hustle because I want the freedom of time. I have a young family, 4 kids, 1 on the way. And I want to be able to spend time with family. I want to be able to work on other things that I have a passion for, real estate investing, all that other stuff. So I do this for freedom of time, not because I want a private jet or a yacht. Now, if you want a yacht, a jet, a Rolex watch, cool, go for it. I want you to get those things. Can I have a ride on your yacht though sometime? That'd be fun. But I mean, and look at this. Very, very glad I got it where I did. It bounced back up. But for me, I'm not in it for those things. I'm just in it because I want to be able to control my time to the utmost ability. And trading is just a great little side income, side hustle, whatever you want to call it. That allows me to do that. So $500 in 5 minutes. Definitely more than happy with that. Before I go though, a big request from me, if you do like these live trade videos, because they are genuinely live, they're hard to make. I have to think for myself. I have to talk to you. I have to think about what I'm going to say to you. I have to type alerts in the chat room. I have to do, and I should note that as far as the chat room, I'm in Tesla. Everybody had the same exact opportunity right here. I questioned, hey, Tesla, is this a dead cat? Dead cat meaning a dead cat bounce. And it was, right? It bounced, it acted like it was going to be strong and then totally rolled back over, which is what I was waiting for and captured there. So, members had the same exact opportunity that I did now maybe they didn't play it exactly like I did. To be fair, maybe they got a better entry point than I did. That's always a possibility. But point being, I am also thinking about alerts that I need to make there. I'm typing those alerts. I'm thinking for myself. I'm trying to trade for myself. I'm talking to you. So there's a lot going on, but they're possible. Been doing these for years, and I will continue to do them. But just from a good old-fashioned kind of time management 101 perspective, I want to make sure that they continue to be worth my time, that there's interest for them. So if there is interest, 2 things to do. Hit that like button, leave a basic comment, even if it's a rainbow emoji. Totally fine. Those 2 things communicate to me that these are worth my time. And as long as I know that, then I will continue to do them. So overall though, I appreciate you watching, and remember, keep things in perspective. If you're making $50, $25 in 5 minutes, hey, that's crazy. That is very crazy when you consider the alternative, which could be you could be working someplace where minimum wage, where you had to actually drive to the job, right? Here, you can make $50 in 5 minutes, $25 in 5 minutes, working from home. I mean, it doesn't really get much better than that. So everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.